Well, folks, we've come to walk, and we're going to have a walk round walk. It's not far from Bellingham. We've got parked up in village, and we're going to have a walk round, have a look. So I'll film it. Oh, there's a walk there, Pat. Down there, I don't know if it stays tarmac, I think it does. It's pretty. Wow. Can you see anywhere over? I can't see anywhere over the bridge where you can park, can you? Not that we can do it anyway, because it's bollards. Is that an area there? Just there? Aye. They must have not realised about the bollards. We couldn't get through. We were talking to a builder in Bellingham, and he was telling us that there were a car park where you can park. He says you can stay at night there, he says, but you can't get over this bridge. He says it was just over the bridge. He must have not realised there were bollards. Yeah. What do you want to do, darling? You want to have a walk down the path? Or not? Walking down this path.
It's a wide river, it splits in two.
Yeah, it is, yeah. So what did we think of that last park up?
You mean the
Where we've just been?
where we've just been?
Yeah. Well, you thought it were alright, because you didn't have to deal with all mud.
No, no. As long as I didn't have to get out, I were alright.
You were alright, right? It were me, yeah.
I could see what it was like, though.
It was terrible.
It was awful.
Very, very, very muddy. And
yeah. Well, it's a farm. You have to be expecting it, haven't you?
Yeah. It were alright though for an overnighter.
Yeah.
Well, worth £15.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you just didn't. You weren't able to fill up, were you?
I couldn't fill up with fresh water. Couldn't top my fresh water up because the tap, when I turned it on, it just sprayed all over the place. It didn't come out in a jet at all. I couldn't even get it into watering can. I got more of it on me than I got it watering can. It goes over there, but we're not off over there.
Oh no, that'll be muddy up there.
Yeah, yeah. This is bringing round to that other pub, I reckon.
Oh dear. Right.
Round to that hotel. It's brought us back round into other side of the village, so
Yeah.
walking back to Vanrill. It's only a tiny village. Well folks, we've arrived here in Hayden's Bridge. Small village with a pub. Somewhere to get some lunch. I'll look round before we decide what to do next. Okay. Van. It's absolutely black. Well, what we finished up doing, the pub that we intended to go to won't open. So we've come to another pub, but they weren't doing food. But we got a drink. Lovely fire here, can you see it? So I was sat here having a drink anyway. I asked the landlady, why she wasn't doing food, because she's supposed to be doing food. And she said that he only does it when he feels like. So she said, if you like, you can bring some fish and chips in from the fish and chip shop across the road, because we noticed it were open when we come here. So I went across and got some fish and chips and brought them into the pub here, and we've ate them in here.
She brought us knives and forks.
She brought us knives and forks, salt and pepper and vinegar and napkins. Really helpful. Lovely. So I've rung a site just below Haltwhistle, a little camping and caravan club sale. So we're booked on a pitch there. It's 15 quid with a hookup. So we're going to leave here and go there. I don't think we're going to bother with Haltwhistle, are we?
Let's see. See what it looks like when we get
As we're
there.
going through it. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll film it when we get there. See you later, folks. That's where we've just been.